Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how I prepare my basil after harvesting so I can have it all winter long. So first I add some cold water to a bowl, some lemon and some baking soda, mix that up and add your basil in and give it a nice washing. Swish it around and make sure it gets all clean. Then you're going to go ahead and drain your basil. Normally I would just flip it over, but I wanted to save the water to show you guys how dirty it is after. And you can see all the nasty debris that is left over in this water. There's a close-up, and that's everything that was on the basil. And make sure you give it a nice rinse with cold water afterwards. Pat your basil dry very well with paper towel. Make sure there's no water left. And then I'm just going to go through and fine-tune my basil, pick any extra stems off or spots that I don't like on them, and just make sure they look nice. Then I'm just going to go ahead and date my bag with the date, and then go ahead, put the basil in and pop it in the freezer, and I'll have it all winter long.